In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive files with non-Gmail accounts tutorial. We'll walk through exactly how to generate a shareable link that works for anyone, even if they don't use Gmail, and how to pick the right permission level. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. From there, open the Google Apps menu, the small grid icon near the top right, and choose Drive. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Once Drive loads, go to My Drive. This is where you'll find your files and folders. Locate the file or folder you want to share. Sharing a folder can be helpful if you need to give ongoing access to a collection of files. Select the item, then click the three dots icon called More Actions and choose Share. The sharing window will appear. By default, many items are set to restricted, which means only people you specifically add can open them. To allow non-Gmail users to access the content, click the drop-down next to Restricted to expand the link settings and switch it to anyone with the link. Now choose the access level. If you just want people to view the content, leave it as viewer. If you need them to make changes, pick the option that allows them to organize, add, and edit files. Keep in mind that editor access grants full editing and reorganization rights, so use it only when necessary. When your settings look right, click Copy Link. This places the shareable link on your clipboard. Click Done to close the sharing window. You can now send that link to the person who doesn't have a Gmail account using email, chat, or any messaging tool your team prefers. When they open the link, they'll be able to access exactly what you allowed, view only or editing, without needing to sign into a Google account, unless your organization's policies require authentication. A few tips as you share. For sensitive material, stick with viewer access and only enable editing for trusted collaborators. If you ever need to stop access, return to the share settings and switch back to restricted or change the link. And if you share a folder with editor privileges, remember that collaborators can add, move, and delete items inside it. That's it. You've created a link that lets non-Gmail users open your Google Drive content safely and conveniently. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.